Hi everyone, today I'm going to play Bhool Bhulaiya 3's title track. Let's start. Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. I hope you like this video. See you soon. Bye.